It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Always like to have friends out there online watching us. Telecom Brokers has been here every single year, and they're really great for cloud services and IT services. I miss my friends out there watching, but we're here with Sync Media Network. And follow us on YouTube at Sync Media Network. Also at our website, Sync Media Network, which is SYNC. So we're going to be heading over to some of the other technology booths, including IBM and VMware, great software product for mainframes. They do everything from metrics monitoring, you name it, they pretty much do it. And their workspace automation. NetT-Base is wireless routers, another good product. Let's see if we can zip by here. If your data doesn't have enough power on a power grid or anything and it hiccups, it brings down your whole system. They have Go Anywhere, which is a help system solution for file transfer. Managed services is greatly important. Easy to use and deploy and integrate. That means a lot. They help you pick your strategy, use their software, and they'll actually manage your system for you. Let's see what else we have here. Cloud migration, interesting company name, 1,000 Eyes. Get root data across different layers of VPNs and HTTP. And we almost walked into a table. And if you don't have good cables, shit starts locking up on you. Then you got to go chase down which and what cable went bad. Everybody's in all their different sessions. There's Toshiba. We know about them. There's another presentation going to be starting too in one of the theaters. But then they also have all the breakout sessions. Linux Academy, best open software platform you can think of. Let's go around this way. Zoom technology. We use Zoom for all our video. Great platform for broadcasting to large groups, holding online meetings. As a matter of fact, before we came here today, we were on a Zoom video with training that I was doing for another company. It's a great platform. It's one for mobile and desktop, secure logins. Great company. I was just saying I was just on a Zoom before I came.
Love the commercial.
Great, stable platform. We're broadcasting worldwide. Multiple people you can see in one meeting. You can shut people up. You can chat. You can share screen. You can do everything you want to do. A hell of a lot better than, what was that company that was bought by Microsoft? Script, Skype, Skip, Scap, Scope. That junk software. So make sure you look for them. Big difference between night and day. And Preva for hybrid cloud. We all need hybrid cloud. Extra small. Oh, man. This is best for throwing it at people. Thank you. IDOT for Internet of Things. Don't do like I do and just walked into a signpost. Stick with me here. they're going to be doing some dim sum.
Well, our ideal customer problem.
NS1 is for all your DNS, which is what all your traffic points to on your internet. If that isn't set up right, you're totally screwed. What else do we got? End-to-end possibilities, taking mobility to the edge. And then what they are is they're doing consulting for everything from cloud to IoT. Make sure you stop and see them for information services. No silly putty?
Yes. Absolutely. Would you like some?
How did I guess? Haven't seen that in 30 years. And for those of you who don't know what silly putty is, you're never going to know, and I'm not going to tell you. The hell with it. We're broadcasting live around the world.
Awesome.
Nice plug for you guys. That's a smart idea. I wanted to show you these two over here before we go. And then we're off to a blockchain convention at the area hotel. Blockchain is the latest and greatest, and don't confuse it with Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are products that operate on top of blockchain. Blockchain is probably one of the biggest developments you're ever going to see in the IT world. Companies will use it from everything from manufacturing to logistics. Greatly developed. There's Catch Point. SUSE has always been around. It's a great software package. And leading in the cybersecurity world, you want to make sure you have all that. If you're missing any one of that, you're not in business. Ooh, is this a good pen?
Tool.
Tool, better yet.
Yeah, even better yet. Way cooler.
Pens I got.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. We're broadcasting live around the world. And who doesn't remember copper and fiber trunking? Oh, my God.
I love that.
We're broadcasting live around the world now. Make sure you stop and see.
CX Tech.
Thank you, CX Tech.
606.
And if you want to get your cord yanked, this is the place to go.
I wouldn't say that too loudly.
I know. That's all right. It was IBM for 35 years. I say it like it is now. And retired. So make sure you stop by and see them. And if you don't know what a rack is, and what do you call it, then you're too young and get the hell out of the business. So we're going to continue on over here a little bit. And of course, remember we were broadcasting live from Oracle last week, which was Oracle and NetSuite, one of their software products. And Nextiva. This is smart. The way they've incorporated we're going real close. The way they incorporated the Star Wars opening sequence. Excellent software. Did we go over here? Sorry for moving too fast, but I want to make sure you get to see everything at the different shows. Oh, N-Base T1. Yes, we showed you that with the cabling and all the connectors and rudders and switches. And Information Week is here. I have to see if I can get interviewed. Ensinet, managed software. Versa Network's been around for years for WAN, wide area networks. Succeed University has been around, great software and training company. And here we are, we're going to peek over the shoulder of Information Week, and we'll show you the equipment that they're using. You can do everything that they're doing on an iPhone. From switching screens, to running a teleprompter to make sure you write the right questions. Again, they're still using larger machines for recording and teleprompter, where you can do all that on an iPhone. They are using LEDs for lighting, which is smart, no heat at all. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it up here and move on to the blockchain conference that's down the street. We're going to send it back to you in the studio. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. I'm going to send it back to you, Eileen. Yep, just wanted to make sure I wasn't missing anything. See you in a few minutes for the next convention. Remember to like, follow, share, both on Facebook and on YouTube.